Creating a simple box tunnel offers an exciting and budget-friendly way to encourage your baby to engage in physical activity, such as crawling, while also enhancing their spatial awareness and sense of exploration. This fun construction can be easily assembled using large cardboard boxes, making it a perfect indoor adventure for young explorers. Let's look at how you can construct a box tunnel that will provide hours of entertainment and developmental benefits for your baby. Activity: box tunnel. Materials needed: large cardboard boxes. The number depends on how long you want the tunnel to be. Duct tape or packing tape for securely connecting the boxes. Safe, child-friendly scissors or a box cutter, used by adults only. Steps for assembly: prepare the boxes. If the boxes aren't already open at both ends, carefully cut off the top and bottom flaps to create a tunnel. Ensure all edges are smooth and safe. Connect the boxes. Use duct tape or packing tape to securely connect the boxes end to end, creating a tunnel long enough for your baby to crawl through. Make sure there are no sharp edges or loose tape that could pose a hazard. Decorate. Optional to make the tunnel more inviting, you can decorate the outside with non-toxic paints or markers, adding colors, patterns, or themes. Introduce the tunnel. Show your baby the tunnel and encourage them to look through it. You can place a favorite toy at one end to motivate them to crawl through. Engagement tips: supervise play. Always supervise your baby while they're using the box tunnel to ensure their safety. Encourage exploration. Use toys, lights, or sounds at the opposite end of the tunnel to entice your baby to crawl through and explore. Expand the activity. As your baby becomes more comfortable with the tunnel, you can add branches or obstacles for an added challenge, enhancing their problem-solving skills and physical development. Benefits: promotes crawling. Crawling through the tunnel encourages gross motor development and strengthens your baby's muscles. Enhances spatial awareness. Navigating through the tunnel helps babies understand spatial relationships and develop coordination. Stimulates curiosity and exploration. Discovering how to move through the tunnel fosters a sense of adventure and curiosity. Provides sensory stimulation. The tactile experience of touching the cardboard and the visual stimulation of decorations on the tunnel contribute to sensory development. Tips for a successful box tunnel experience: ensure the tunnel is placed on a soft, safe surface to protect your baby as they crawl. Check the tunnel regularly for wear and tear, and make necessary repairs to keep it safe for play. Vary the play by changing the tunnel's layout or adding new features to keep it interesting for your child. Transform ordinary cardboard boxes into a world of adventure with a homemade box tunnel that encourages your baby to crawl, explore, and learn. This simple DIY project not only provides fun, but also supports crucial developmental milestones. For more creative and developmental play ideas, visit www.parentinggenie.com.au. Explore our resources designed to empower parents and caregivers in fostering a stimulating and nurturing environment for their little ones.